Feeling the feelings. What is up, guys? Andrew here, and welcome to Comicbooker. All things comics from a creator. So this is gonna be a short video and a little bit of a life update. A few weeks ago, my partner and I noticed a weird water stain on the ceiling of our bathroom. Over the course of a few days, the stain started to grow and we could hear water trickling behind it in the hollow of the walls. Shortly after that, the ceiling started to sprout black mold. I don't know if you've heard about black mold, but it's pretty bad. It's highly destructive, it's toxic to humans, and can make you very sick over time. We've been spraying it with mold killer, but since it's growing from behind the wall, we can only treat the symptoms. So we had the problem looked at, and it seems that it's caused by some sort of plumbing problem from our upstairs neighbors. However, the severity of the problem means that they might have to tear down the walls and do an intensive renovation in order to fix it. So long story short, we had to move out. Which is why this video, which I'm thinking of as a kind of a series ender. I started this channel 3 years ago in this very studio, and it means a lot to me. I built up this small space in order to handle working from home during quarantine, doing commissions, and my comics work. The walls are literally covered in memories, from my academic paintings in school to exhibition posters, letters from my friends, and more. I self-published my last book in this studio, and I got my first pro gig while sitting right here. It's the background of all my videos, and this is the last time you're gonna see it. Whew! Feeling the feelings. I'm not sure where we're gonna move yet, but it's gonna be a bit of a process. We're still looking for a new place, but we're already putting our stuff into storage for safety. It's been a pretty stressful time between this, my day job, and the deadlines that I'm currently on. Still, I think it's gonna be good in the long run. I moved to this place from the Philippines 8 years ago. And while I feel a lot of attachment to it, I also feel like it might be the right time to move on. So expect a refresh when I get back to posting regular videos. It's gonna feel like a relaunch to me, at least like maybe a new #1 of a new comic series. But still the same old comic booker, just, a different background. Maybe I'll change my hair, I don't know. In the meantime, this channel is gonna be a bit sporadic for a few months as I get my life back in order. I'm gonna be visiting family in Singapore and taking a short trip to Japan, looking for apartments in New York City, and doing all the moving stuff. DC Comics just announced my next project for them. It's a short story for this year's holiday special. And while I can't talk about specifics yet, I'm working on it right now, and I'm having an absolute blast with the story. It's really cool. I get to redesign a character. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do a video about it soon, but after all of this is over. I'm also working on issue 2 of my self-published creator-owned series, Secret Heart Attack. Issue 1 just sold out on my website, but there's still digital copies available. And I'll see what I can do about a second printing. Anyway, that's it for this video. And for this studio. I'm gonna start tearing it down and moving after I film this. Goodbye for a little while. I hope you're staying inspired. I know it's a bit of a cliffhanger, but I can't wait to see you again on the other side of all of this. Yeah, until next time, peace. And that's it. All gone. Bye, studio space. I'll make a new one. Yeah. Peace.